Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about some commonly asked questions in Certified Associate in Python Programming. So let's get started. Question number 1, an operator able to perform bitwise shifts is coded as, choose 2. Your options are. The correct answers are, option C, and D. Question number 2, the following expression 1 plus minus 2 is. Your options are. A equal to 1. B invalid. C equal to 2. D equal to minus 1. The correct answer is, option C. Question number 3, a compiler is a program designed to, choose 2. Your options are. A. Rearrange the source code to make it clearer. B. Check the source code in order to see if it's correct. C. Execute the source code. D. Translate the source code into machine code. The correct answers are, option B, and D. Question number 4, which of the following literals reflect the value given as 34.23? Choose 2. Your options are. A. 3423e2. B. 3423e-2. C. 3423e-2. D. 3423e2. The correct options are, option A, and B. Question number 5, which of the following statements are true? Choose 2. Your options are. A. Python strings are actually lists. B. Python strings can be concatenated. C. Python strings can be sliced like lists. D. Python strings are mutable. The correct answers are, option B, and C. Question number 6, which of the following sentences are true? Choose 2. Your options are. A. Lists may not be stored inside tuples. B. Tuples may be stored inside lists. C. Tuples may not be stored inside tuples. D. Lists may be stored inside lists. The correct answers are, option B, and D. Question number 7, can a module run like regular code? Your options are. A. Yes, and it can differentiate its behavior between the regular launch and import. B. It depends on the Python version. C. Yes, but it cannot differentiate its behavior between the regular launch and import. D. No, it is not possible, a module can be imported, not run. The correct answer is, option A. Question number 8, is it possible to safely check if a class/object has a certain attribute? Your options are. A. Yes, by using the hasItter attribute. B. Yes, by using the hasItter method. C. Yes, by using the hasItter function. D. No, it is not possible. The correct answer is, option B. Question number 9, the first parameter of each method. Your options are. A. Holds a reference to the currently processed object. B. Is always set to none. C. Is set to a unique random value. D. Is set by the first argument's value. The correct answer is, option D. Question number 10, if you want to access an exception object's components, and store them in an object called E, you have to use the following form of exception statement. Your options are. The correct answer is, option C. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.